Welcome you back. So this crypto bond. On this episode, I'll show you how you can make some cool cash for yourself. So let's get to this video. I'll be talking about Skillshare. So Skillshare offer two main ways to earn through teaching, through affiliate referral program. You can also earn cash, commission, or free membership depending on your role. So here is a full breakdown of everything you need to know. So as you can see, how to make money on Skillshare. So teach classes, earn royalty based on minutes watched by students. So referral program, get one free month of treasury per referral, and referral program, earn extra revenue when students sign up via classes link, affiliate program, 20 or 40% up to 34 USD per sign up. It's very easy to earn on this platform. What you just need to do is just make sure you watch the video to the end to know how you can earn on this platform. So as you can see, Skillshare affiliate program, commission 20-40% per 30% duration payout frequency monthly. They pay out monthly. Minimum payout is 100. Hosted on Impact. So this Skillshare teachers program tips. You can earn 0.05 to 0.0 per minute watch. So top teacher earn 1,000 plus per month. Create high quality video lesson with clear structure. Promote your classes using your referral link. Engage with students to boost watch time and revenue. So YouTube idea you can create tutorials to make money. So this I'm giving you an idea you can use to make money for yourself on this platform. So tutorial how to make money teaching on Skillshare. In Skillshare worth is for creator earn 34 year per sign up with Skillshare affiliate program step by step. Great. As you can see, it's very easy to earn on this platform. What you just need to do is sign up with them. So I will put in this link into my description below. Make sure you use my link to sign up with them so you can earn for yourself as well. So let's go. So this is their website. As you can see, Skillshare, join for free, become a Skillshare affiliate or free. So I will put in this exact link in my description below. Make sure you use my link so you can get some bonus and so you can get free access. Like what I mean by free access is that you don't need to be searching around or beating around the bush to get their referral link. So I'll just the affiliate link, sorry. So very easy to get the affiliate link if you just use the link in my description below. And 20% commission up to 34 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. Your partnership with like-minded brand ambassador and publish everything. So is what you need. 20% commission up to 34 USD. And this is a legit platform because there are over 25,000 online classes, 60,000 plus school project, 13 cookies, monthly payout, real-time tracker, join for free. It's very free. So if you love watching the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share to your friends and family because I'll be seeing you all in the next video. So peace out.